Smartphones are enhanced mobile phones that perform functionalities other than the typical phones. They perform functions that we find on a personal computer, like editing office documents. The term smartphone appeared only in 1997, though it was conceptualized back in 1973 and it was available in the market for sale by 1994. They provide one-stop solution for information management, mobile calling, email sending and remaining connected to the internet. Next slide. Now let us come to what makes smartphones smart. It is the operating system that makes smartphones smart. The smartphone philosophy is to integrate the telephone system with the processing power of a computer system and to be able to run various applications that optimize with the home or office. The definition of smart keeps on changing from day to day. Today's smartphone is a device that has added features which previously was found only on a computer. Next slide. Coming to the advantages, using smartphones we can innovatively take notes with the help of QWERTY keypad as fast as we type on a computer. Many companies require businessmen to travel. Earlier they had to carry a cell phone, a pager. Today smartphones provide managing information easy on the go. So they basically act as a device merger. Internet access, emailing, chatting with friends are all at your fingertips. Information management. Smartphones can act as a hotspot. It has many multimedia functions. You can chat with friends. You can browse full websites with large amount of data, similar to one found on a computer. So it functions as a computer with also with portability. Next slide. Along with advantages comes also its disadvantages. Smartphones are firstly expensive. Secondly, they are a bit fragile. If they are dropped, they are likely to break than the normal phones. So they are also a bit cumbersome. They are a bit generally larger than the normal phones. Fourth, we store a large amount of data in smartphones. So if they are lost, damaged or stolen, it is likely that we may lose our data. Next, it is not efficient to take long reports on a smartphone as we type naturally on a computer. Next slide. Coming to the future aspects, smartphones are gradually getting thinner and cheaper. So they are entering into the consumer market. Smartphones in future may be thin as a sheet of paper. Smartphones on watches have already been invented. It may ultimately revolutionize the way we interact with our computers. Next slide. To conclude, smartphones are high-end combination of information management, video calling, email sending, chatting, GPS navigation units and much more. Smartphones provide access to mobile business, storing information and also entertainment. With each passing day, smartphones are becoming a necessity rather than a luxury. So, the most important thing about smartphone technology may be that the field is still wide open. Next slide. Thank you. Next slide. So, if you have any queries, please ask me.